take off through time and space, and you're going to see it go, go, go. You're going to see all these lights pass by you, and you're going to go straight to Nibiru. We're going to go straight to Nibiru, straight to Nibiru. We're going to travel through space and time, and now the ship is coming to a slow and steady stop, and now it's going to go into the planet. You see the planet in front of you. See yourself landing down what looks like a beach. See your spaceship landing down on this beach, and look out the window and see everything out there. Do you see forest? Do you see buildings? Is there a city? Country? Are you underwater? Where are you? And now I want you to imagine that you're going to a locker on the spaceship, and you're going to grab a couple things. You're going to grab a compass. You're going to grab a magnifying glass, and you're going to grab some earplugs. These earplugs are magical. They'll let you hear things clear in case you can't hear that well. And once you got everything, I want you to unmute your mic and let me know when you can see this, if you can. Cece, can you see this? You want to unmute your mic if you can?
I can see.
What do you see?
I see the compass, the magnifying glass,
Uh-huh.
and the earplug.
Are you on the spaceship?
Yeah,
Can you describe what it looks like?
a lot of metal and buttons, like a command center in the front.
Is it big or small?
Big, very big.
Yeah. Do you want to take a little tour real quick and tell everybody what you see?
Sure. Okay. Coming out of the locker area, that's like a long hallway. It's like a garden inside. I guess like a greenhouse.
What's inside the greenhouse?
Flowers, herbs, birds. It's serene, sort of like a quiet little getaway.
Beautiful. What else do you see? Do you see other rooms or anything like that? What else do you see?
As I'm going down the hallway, there's a few doors. There's all glass, and that's the exit.
Is there a bathroom on the ship?
I didn't look into all the rooms. I didn't see one.
Curious if it was the marble setting bathroom like the other ship. What about the floor? Is there any carpet?
It's a different scene in each door, in each room.
What do you see?
It's like a big sunroom. Like everything is glass.
Do you see the other people with you? Do you see OG and Mr. Price, or are you alone?
I'm alone.
Did you happen to see them with you when you were at the fire?
I saw them with me up until we went to the lockers.
Okay. So they must be walking around. Okay, go ahead and walk around the ship and take a tour, enjoy it, and I'll come back to you. Let me check with OG and see what he's finding. OG, can you unmute your mic and tell me if you're there?
Yeah,
What do you see?
I'm at the bay, like, like the loading dock, I guess, like where the ship is opened at the beach, and I can see like a whole, like another place, a whole planet, because we landed. I see like a whole eco, like architectural, futuristic type of city with my compass and my earbuds and everything. I was excited when I heard that CC was still in the locker room. I'm necessarily like walking and running around in excitement.
Yay. That's awesome. Let's see. Um, do you see her at all on there?
Yeah, she's shy. She's in, like she said, she's in the locker room shy.
Okay, okay. Beautiful. You guys are cute. So let's see. We're going to get ready to exit the spacecraft. So I want you to find something that you want to travel on. It could be a go-kart, it could be, a motorcycle, it could be a flying motorcycle, whatever it is that you imagine yourself rolling around in out there. Um, and let me know if you can see yourself with something.
Yeah, I don't know what type of bike this is, but it's hovering, and it sounds like a like woo, like I don't know the whooshing sound, like woo, like it's vibrating with crystals and stuff.
That's awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. Cece, what do you got? Did you get a something to roll around in yet?
Um, Mine is more like I don't know how to describe it. It's like a chair, but it can go all the way recline, or it can push you up to stand in. So it's a comfy chair, spacious, um, and it has wheels, but it's really close to the ground.
Okay, that's cool. You got the relaxing lazy boy chair. You're like, my
Chilling.
futuristic car is gonna be a lazy boy flying chair. That's funny. Okay, cool, cool. Let's see. Before you take off, I want you guys to imagine yourself in front of a mirror once more and look at yourself really good. And Cece, can you see yourself and tell me what do you look like?
Um, Dark skin, like I don't know. It's like a ashy tone.
What?
It's weird. It's like a ashy. It's like ashy tone.
Oh my God. Do you look like you or do you look like somebody else?
Totally different.
What does your face look like? Look at your face, your features. What do you look like?
Totally different. It's hard to explain. It's like my hairline is weird. I don't know. It's a human form.
You're humanoid?
My skin look weird and my hairline is funny.
What about your face? Do you have human features or do you have like different kind of features?
No, it's human features. It just look totally different.
Are you male or female?
Female.
Okay. Do you have any jewelry?
Not really. Nothing that stands out on me. It's weird. Like, I don't know. I can't stop looking at my face.
What color are your eyes?
Brown. They're brown.
Okay. So you got the Nibiru bodysuit or what?
No, I don't have on a bodysuit. I do have on pants though. I don't know. Nibiru has a bodysuit. Yeah, no, I don't have on a bodysuit.
I was just joking. Okay.
Oh.
Let's see. Let's see real quick. OG